Uncle Dan, what are you doing with all these puppy dogs?
They're all over here.
I know. Merry Christmas.
What's going on here? Hey.
Look at all the birds under my tree.
Hey, that's my ear you're licking. As long as it stays lit, we're okay.
Don't sniff Frankie's butt. That's rule number 1. You all should know better by now. Yeah, you tell him. You coming, Bazahound?
Don't got one, Jake.
Norman used to sit on Dan all the time.
Yeah.
Jake just had his leg picked up.
Yeah.
Norman used to sit right on him.
Yep.
Over there.
What is going on in here? Hey, let's be nice to Frankie.